All right, the distance between two zeros. So this is a quick lesson, so that's why I'm doing it on review day. Okay, so distance. I need you to remember that distance is always positive, okay? So distance between two zeros, they'll either give you a graph or they'll give you an equation. So this one says, this function below, what is the distance to the nearest hundredth of a unit? So your hundredths is your second decimal place between the two zeros that are the closest to each other. Well, we got to graph these first to figure out who is the closest together. Okay, so we're going to go to Desmos and we're going to graph these. All right, so we go to Desmos and we're going to graph this equation. All right, so y equals 4x cubed minus 5x squared minus 23x plus 6. Okay, so it said the ones that are closest together. Okay, well, the ones that are closest together, like this one and this one. So remember, distance is always positive, so I need to figure out the distance between these two. I count the units. Okay, so let's take a screen snip so I can write on it. So I'm going to count. Oh, whoops, I didn't know I had one open still. All right, so let's count it. Okay, so that's 1 unit, 2 unit, and then 0.25. So I'm going to say 1 plus 0.25, and the distance is 2.25. Okay? Do you see how I did that? It's really just counting your units, okay? So my answer here would be 2.25. All right? The next one I actually give you the graph so we don't have to go to Desmos. This says, what is the distance between the middle zero and the positive zero? Well, this is my middle zero at 1, and this is my positive 0. So I wanted the distance between it. Well, we're going to count the units because there's no decimals here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the distance would be 5 units. Okay? See, pretty simple. This one, what is the distance between the two zeros that are the furthest apart? So that would be this guy and this guy. Again, we're just counting the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units will be the distance. Okay? And so that's all you have to do on this, but you will see this on the test tomorrow. Okay?